Okay, so we have a question here. Solve x squared equals 7x minus 10. So when you see a question like this and it's asking for you to solve it, it's actually asking you to find out the x value. What's x equal to? Okay? So because this equation here has an x squared, it's very likely there's actually going to be two values of x. So x1 and an x2. Okay, because that's how quadratic equations are. Generally, you have two x values. So how do we find that? Now the first way that you can find it, and this is the way I'm going to demonstrate in this video, if you can factorize this, it's the easiest way. Okay, so try to factorize it first. So first of all, you need to make this all equal to 0 to begin with. So x squared, if you want to make it equal to 0, start putting everything on the other side. So x squared minus 7x, we've brought that 7x over, and then minus 10 becomes plus 10. Okay, and then that equals 0. Now in order to do this, I said earlier we had to factorize it. Let's try factorize it. So what two factors of 10 make minus 7? The answer is going to be minus 5 and minus 2, because minus 5 times minus 2 makes 10, positive 10, and minus 5 minus 2 totals up to make minus 7. So when we factorize it, it's going to be x minus 5, x minus 2 in brackets. Okay, and that equals 0. Okay, because that's 0, this is 0, we've just put it in brackets. So to find out what our x1 and x2 is, it's quite simple actually. These numbers inside the brackets, just take the opposites of those. So opposite in terms of the sign. Okay, so the first x is going to equal positive 5. Here it says negative 5. It's going to be positive 5. Okay, and in this bracket here, so that's our x1, and our x2, that's going to be, it says here negative 2, that's going to be positive 2. And this is actually the equation solved now. Okay, if you put those values back into that, okay, you will get the answer as 0. I'm not going to do that now. If you want to test it, try it. Put that back into there and see if it makes 0. And then put that one back into there and see if it makes 0. If it makes 0, then you know you've done it correctly. Anyway, I hope this helps. This is how to solve quadratic equations and finding the two x roots. I would recommend in this sort of question to use factorising to do it, because it's the easiest way. If you want regular support from me to help you get the grades you want, why not join one of my weekly classes? It's very affordable. Contact me if you want to find out more.